The 10 best whole home dehumidifiers. High humidity levels indoors can result in the buildup of mold, mildew, and bacteria that can cause a number of personal health issues, such as breathing problems, throat irritation, heightened symptoms of allergies, and more. These whole house dehumidifiers are powerful enough to greatly reduce the amount of moisture in your home to make you and your family more comfortable. The list starts from EdgeStar DEP701WP. The forecasters on the EdgeStar DEP701WP. APPX, $239. Roll smoothly and make it very easy to reposition any place in your home with minimal effort. It isn't designed for very large houses, though, as it is recommended for spaces of 1,500 square feet or less. Adjusts in 5% increments. Humidity range to 60%, but longevity is questionable. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Honeywell DH70W. The Energy Star certified Honeywell DH70W. Around $775. Comes with a 5-year warranty and access to an in-house customer support line that can help you troubleshoot problems if you happen to experience any while removing moisture. It also reduces odors and bacteria. Tank is easy to remove. Visible water level, but humidity sensor isn't accurate. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Keystone KSTAD70C. The Keystone KSTAD70C, about $179. Features a turbo mode for those times you need to reduce moisture levels very quickly, and an automatic defrost function that makes it well suited to cold climates, where other models may not be able to operate continuously. Usage manual isn't detailed enough. Audible reservoir full alerts, but float switch is too fragile. Well, here is the 7th one. Frigidaire Fad. The Frigidaire Fad, APPX, $265, is available in 3 different sizes, 30, 50, and 70 pints, so you can get the perfect model no matter whether you have a small or large home. For convenient operation, it alerts you whenever the tank is full and needs emptying. Digital humidity level readout. Reservoir has a splash guard, but antibacterial filter. You should look into this product, it was surely well marketed. Dry-Ease PhD 200. The Dry-Ease PhD 200, about $1,223, has a rather industrial look, which may be a turn-off to some. But if you want a model that is commercial quality, tough, and can stand up to tons of abuse, this is the one. It can be attached to ducts with the purchase of additional components. 4-language menu, suitable for extremely large spaces, but doesn't have a water removal pump. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Ivation IVALDH70PWWP. The Ivation IVALDH70PWWP, APPX, $290, has an integrated 16-watt pump that can move water vertically in out of a basement window, if needed, which is very convenient, since it eliminates you having to empty a bucket every day. It offers 2 fan speed settings to choose from. Programmable 24-hour timer. 166-ounce collection reservoir, but includes a hose for floor drains. Customers are king, and according to them, one should buy this one. Allure Air Sentinel HD90. The Allure Air Sentinel HD90, around $1,199, can move up to 210 cubic feet of air per minute, allowing it to greatly reduce the humidity levels in spaces of up to 2,600 square feet. Its 2 handles on the top make it easier to carry than many others. Backed by a 5-year warranty. Epoxy-coated internal components, but duct attachment model available. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. Tosat 70 pint. The Tosat 70 pint, around $300, can effectively remove moisture from the air in large spaces and reduce the growth of mold and mildew, all while staying below 53 decibels of noise. It features an internal pump that can push the collected water up to 15 feet in any direction. Indicates when to clean the filter. Illuminated display panel, but auto restarts after a power outage. According to reviews, the second best product is HomeLabs HMEO 20031N. The HomeLabs HMEO 20031N, about $210, has a pleasing aesthetic that makes it less of an eyesore than other models. Plus it comes in at a very wallet-friendly price, so it's a win-win. It is also Energy Star certified and shouldn't jack up your power bill too much. Touch panel controls, turbo mode for maximum reduction, but defrost function for cold weather. Now here is our best of best the King product. Aprilaire 1850F. The Aprilaire 1850F APPX $1,449 is an extremely powerful model that can remove up to 12 gallons of water from the air per day. So if you live in a very humid climate, it's a good choice. It features 4 casters for effortless repositioning and a hose for easy emptying. Starts and stops automatically. Manufactured in the United States. But filter rarely requires cleaning.